Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Express. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control system, intermittent wipers, running boards. Inside you'll find auxiliary audio input, OnStar communication system, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, power steering, cloth upholstery, dual airbags, reclining seats. The Express offers massive spaciousness, style, safety, and a surprising amount of optional features. With enhanced towing and hauling capabilities, the Express is built to get the job done. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.